toy hunt. Ready? These are my favorite cars. They're old school. Look at this. But they look like nice. Same cars. Look at this one, this one, this one, this one.
Wow.
Whoa, look at this car. That's very smooth.
It is smooth. You look like a play up in that, right?
Yep, a player. See?
Okay.
Player. I got a monster truck! Monster Jill! Boom, boom, boom!
Whoa.
Alright. Look at more cars. Whoa, look, that's a big track! Price. The biggest car in the whole world!
What? It's a Mega Rodney.
Yep. Here. It's 20!
Yes, it's 20 cars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You're right! I found one! Dodge! Oh, look at this car. This is smooth.
Yeah, that's smooth too.
It gotta be. I found one!
Where?
This. Mom, this look like at the Kroger.
Yeah.
I found more. Whoa, look at this car.
Do you see it, Rodney? Better hurry, time is ticking. Do you see any more?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
I see one. I'm not gonna tell you. I see one. I can't tell you. I see one. I see one.
I think I see one.
Yeah, that one good. You couldn't even find that right.
Whoa. Is no one caught? No more. Almost a job. It's not working. See, we're too hard. Almost a job. This is look crazy. Well, there's the cots. More carts. Look at these little. Oh no, it's a monster truck. Oh, crash him. I think I have to be over here. I think. You're free, that's what you want. Thank you, because I'm the good. Sorry, excuse me, I'm awake already. So I say, excuse me, and come do. Sorry, excuse me, and come do. Excuse me, come do. Coming through. Well, that was smooth. There's the car. this is my favorite car. Man, this is my favorite car.
Yeah, that is clean. Ooh, it kind of match your shirt, right?
Yeah?
We didn't put that thing on a chain and hang it around your neck. You're gonna be free.
Yeah.
First grade.
Yep. Rum, 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 rum. Excuse me, come do it. Sorry, excuse me, come do it.
Hey, I do. You know why? Because it say Hot Wheels and fire.
Hot
You see it? Oh, yeah, that's hot. I ride that. I like that.
Did I open it?
Go ahead.
Right. There's the car. Excuse me, I come to going down. Run, run, run. This is better than mine. This. Instance. That one's moving. You ready to open it? Okay.
I want that one.
But this one?
Yes.
Oh, that one's cool.
Oh, yes, Rodney.
Well,
yes,
and look,
yes.
feel
I
it.
don't need to feel it.
Look.
I can see it. I feel it when it came out. I felt it when it came out. I love that one.
Whoa.
That's the one I want.
And well, this look like Legos.
Oh, the green one. The green one's okay.
Yeah, but well, this one looks like Legos. Well, this one cool.
Yeah,
It's small. Looks kind of small, like small baby. And look at this one. Rum, rum.
Like something a toy riding.
Toy ride.
A toy.
The ultimate car. You ready? The ultimate car. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Wow, one more you would have had 50.
49. Sorry.
It's 49. So how do you make 49?
4 and 9.
All right, it's 49.
Ready to race them? Next time, don't forget to subscribe. Push this red button to subscribe my channel. Bye.